Let me show you some tips and tricks for OnePlus 15R. So the first thing that I want to show you is folder sizes. As you can see, we can have these 2x2 folders or 1x1. All of them can be easily adjusted if you, for example, press and hold your finger. Here we have the shrink folder option, which allows you to switch back to 1x1, or you can choose enlarge. When you have 2x2 size, then you can have one of these three styles of the folder over here. So you can see some apps can be bigger, some of them are smaller, and generally speaking, app icons that are bigger on that folder can be opened directly, so you don't have to go to the folder, unlike in the case of 1x1, where if you want to open an app that is in the folder, you have to open the folder first and then you can go to that app. Besides that, you can of course manually resize the folder like this by grabbing by the bottom right corner once you press and hold your finger on it, but also you can use, for example, this style, this 2x1 horizontally or vertically. And this is also a pretty great way to organize your apps and your folders on the home screen. What is quite cool is that you can do actually the same thing with apps. So in this case, if I press and hold my finger on the app, I can also grab by the bottom right corner and I can make it 2x1 horizontally and vertically, or I can do it 2x2. And in some cases, if certain apps have let's say shortcuts, like we're gonna use settings in this example, then you can see we have these pluses which are available for 2x2 or 2x1, and these pluses can be used in order to add a shortcut if you want to have a quick way to open specific things that can be done within that app. So in the case of the settings, then of course I can, for example, quickly open Wi-Fi settings. So this is definitely quite useful if you wish to have quick access to specific apps, or if you want to organize your apps in a very cool way. Of course, OnePlus 15R has the plus key on the left side of the phone, and by default we use it to the mind space, which I'm gonna mention in a second, but if you go to settings and scroll down in here, we can find the plus key option, and here you can customize the plus key a little bit. You can choose what you want to use or what you want to do with this plus key. We have a bunch of different options, although some of the useful features are still not there. Like for example, you cannot choose a specific app, so you cannot really open an app of your choice with this plus key, which is something that I think should be possible. And if you want to switch to anything else from this list, then of course you want to tap on this set option. But by default, we use the plus key in order to use the mind space. And here we can also find all the different ways to use the plus key with the mind space. You can press the plus key once in order to take a screenshot, and then that screenshot is sent to the Mindspace. It is analyzed, you have a summary, and then you can use the Mindspace AI, ask the questions, and you can go through the content that you have in the Mindspace like that. You can also press and hold the plus key in order to create a recording, so then that recording is sent to the Mindspace as well, and you can get a transcription and summary of that recording, and then just like you can do with the screenshot content, you can get, for example, you can ask the Mindspace to go through all your voice recordings as well, if you're looking for a very specific information, something that you may have saved, that you may have recorded as a voice note for later. And also, if you want to go to the Mindspace, you can, for example, double press the plus key. You can also open the Mindspace by going to, let's say, settings, then over here we can go to OnePlus AI, and then over here we can tap on Mindspace and then we can open it. You can also create a home screen shortcut and so on and so forth. There are actually many different ways to open the Mindspace. And there we go. This is a quick look at the Mindspace. As you can see, I have a couple of different things. So if I choose this screenshot over here, as you can see, we have the AI summary of everything that is visible on that screen. Also, in some cases, if you, for example, get like a ticket or something for, let's say, an event, maybe your train ticket or something, you can actually take a screenshot with the plus key over here and send it to the Mindspace, and then the Mindspace can actually add an event to your calendar automatically, or maybe with your agreement, but generally speaking, it is a pretty convenient way, not just a simple noting app, but a great tool to keep your thoughts and maybe even memories in that app. And then of course you can go back into it and you can use the AI within it to search for something specific. Now, another thing that is worth mentioning is the O+ Connect, which is an app provided by Oppo actually, and that can be used in order to, let's say, connect with your PC. And once you connect with your PC, and then you can, let's say, easily transfer files from your phone to your computer or the other way around. You can have access, well, you have access to everything, like all your images, videos, audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. So it's a really convenient way to wirelessly get something from your phone or transfer something to your phone. We can also find the screencast option, so you can cast the screen from your phone on your computer, and also we have the remote control, so you can remotely control your computer on your phone. Here we can also find the content sync, which of course you can manage quite easily. And in order to get the app, you can just simply go to connect.oppo.com, and over here we have the download button. You can get the app for Windows and for Mac OS. If you play games on your OnePlus 15R or generally speaking on a smartphone, then you will be happy to know that we have the quick start up option, which allows you to quickly launch the game every time you exit it. So of course, usually if you exit a game, it takes some time to bring it back up, but with this option, you can keep it somewhere in the memory in order to launch it faster the next time you return to the game. If we go to the phone manager over here and then open tools, you can tap on more in order to find all of these different options. What you can find in here is, for example, the speaker cleaner, among other things. So if you want to clean your speaker, you actually have a dedicated option for that. Next, we're gonna go to settings, and in here, if we scroll down, you should be able to find accessibility and convenience, and generally speaking, we can find a bunch of different useful tools in here, but one particular and that I want to talk about is in the gestures and motions, and it is the screen of gestures. You can draw different shapes and letters on the screen when it's off in order to toggle something like camera, flashlight, or a couple of different things of your own choice. You can actually personalize these three options. Also, if we go back to gestures and motions, then over here we can find some additional motions that can be quite useful to have enabled, like for example lift to ear to answer calls. So whenever you have an incoming call, you can actually just put your phone right next to your ear, and then it's gonna be then it should automatically answer the call for you. And the last thing that I want to mention is also in accessibility and convenience. Over here we have motion cues, which is definitely useful for those who experience motion sickness while traveling with by car, I mean, for example. So if you happen to be a person that gets sick easily when traveling by car or by train or something like that, then of course you can enable motion cues, and it is supposed to be really helpful in that case. And that is pretty much it. If there is something that I should have mentioned that OnePlus 15R has, and I didn't mention in this video, then of course please let me know in the comments so other people should see and benefit from your comment as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.